How to fix Instagram enable to load effects on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps again, and on here type Instagram, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings, go to battery, make sure power saving mode is disabled, and now go to App Store or Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any updates and then update it and your problem will be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, then just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, then restart your phone. And I hope that can fix your problem. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and don't forget like and see you in the next video.